We've got the 40-meter whip up. It's quite hard to see. You've got the sunshine sort of behind us there. Let's try and get this side. 40-meter whip on the car. I'm not going anywhere. It's a garden test, really. We've just calibrated the Nano VNA. We're going to see what readings we get from this device. Calibrate. We're going to set the frequencies. So go tap the screen. Go, if it's not on the screen, go back to and back again to stimulus, and we're going to go from, say, 6 megahertz. So go start 6 megahertz, and let's go to, say, 10 megahertz, and then we'll have a look when the antenna's connected. Let's just quickly calibrate the device. Calibrate it for the 40-meter whip. So we just go tap the screen, go to calibrate, reset, click calibrate, then it asks for the open connector, which is the one with the hole. So we just screw that on here, like so, tap open, go to the next one, which is the short, got the little pointy bit inside. Tap short, then we just want the load, tap load, then you've got the open connectors thing, and then the through, you join these together, so you click that. And then you're done, and you're all calibrated now, ready for 40 meters. And what we'll do is we'll save that to 0, tap screen, go back, display, and we'll do the scale at 1. We'll show the settings here, like so. Scale, and we just go 1 point. Time, you click times 1, and you've got the scale now for your, SWR. And you can select SWR. You go back. Format, and it says here SWR. So we're all calibrated for the 40-meter whip. So here we are at the Nano VNA, and it gives you an idea of the understanding of this antenna. So look, the marker is 7.190, which is where that is, and we can move that marker. It's gone to move it down. It's quite fiddly because it's small the way I've set it. But we can see how narrow banded this antenna is. It's a 40-meter whip. If I put my G5RV on it, it'd be a different reading altogether. So SWR, not brilliant, just over 2, but we are using the Xiegu, which has a tuner. So let's give it a go. See what it picks up. Right, got it all connected. I'm gonna get in the car here. We've got some interference there, so that's going to be my daughter's LEDs that we're going to turn off. Got my 40-meter whip out, which I virtually never use, and a Maggie mount that I never use. Had to repair some coax connectors. And I've chucked it in my car, and it's going well. And I got it on the analyzer as well. Okay, we're in the car. Let's get it to 40 meters. The long way, of course. Turn it up. 7098. There's no one there. Let's see what it's like to tune. We're only on 5 watts. So tuner on. Yeah, it's only a tiny bit of tune. So let's have a little look around.
I can say about I've got a hybrid car, but then the battery in that doesn't do an awful lot really. It helps with the.
So like I said, we're on a 40-meter whip.
Now, it'll be 8 years old this year, so the battery's okay as far as I can tell in it, but I'm not looking forward to.
Seems okay, doesn't it?
So I wouldn't even bother.
No, we just. few locals about. RF gain is on 57. Let's do about 54. I mean 40. Show you the tone. It's definitely better with the tone on, isn't it? But you can't go as loud. So a few stations there. And don't forget, we're only in my car in the yard. So it's okay, completely usable.
Helemaal geen enkel probleem. Ik dacht... Ich habe hier einen Fußschalter und habe damit dann weiter in 80 meters is a fantastic band.
It's a bit. It does distort if you go too loud. M0FXB QRP. Nice to get rid of some of the shadow, isn't it? Sounds French. You think I'm Southwest UK? In Western Supermare.
Versions 1 and 2 had some problems in them, but they landed them out and they produced version 3. And it works very well. I haven't had any serious problems with it at all. I've had some problems with it, and it's just been away for repair. A local friend of mine, a local licensed amateur member of the local radio club in Newbury, he's got a very good workshop and works professionally on amplifiers. But anyhow, it was a job that I probably should have done, but I was a bit concerned about doing it because it has a problem with it's all to do with a board.
So I think we'll just show you the other bands, like 80. Let's show you if it even tunes. Oh, there's someone there. So I'd say not really. Quite loud. Once you start, you don't really want to stop until it's ready. So yeah, no chance of tuning there. And then 20 meters. Don't forget it's a 40 meter whip, so we are just having a bit of fun. Let's turn the power lower. We've got to come out of the NR mode in the noise reduction mode. Go back to general. And we can lower the power now. Look, ATU. Again, no chance. So it is like I said, it's a 40 meter whip. Let's go back to 40. Plenty of activity there. If I had my laptop, I could work FT8, no problem. Tune it. Yeah, it tunes very quick. I wouldn't say it tunes to perfect. But yeah, quite happy with that. So the whip's been lying around my house for ages. So is the Maggie mount I'll show you on the car. Plenty of signals here to have contacts with. And I'll just show you the setup again. It's just a BNC connector. 40 meter width just on the car, just for testing really. You know, I could park up, no problem. The end of the whip is adjustable for SWR if you want it perfect, but you've got the ATU at the moment. And then it's just running into my car, which is a mess. And I think working fine, you know, just for a bit of fun. If I got better with my CW, I could have some contact. 73, thanks for watching my channel, all the best.